right, good morning. Happy Eclipse Day. Today is April 8th. And we're looking at, let's start with crude because it just made a big jump. So let me open this chart here. So crude has been very volatile lately. Again, I can't freaking, hold on one second. It's freaking charts. There you go. Okay, so I had a big day on Friday, a big rally. Got all the way to 87.64. Then on Sunday night it got down and it sold off, but then found buyers in the 84.70 area and jumped, closed that gap, and now at the open, just now at the pit open at 9 a.m. it started moving higher again. So the first target I have is this 5-day point of control at 86.75, and then we have some this little bit of a distribution from Friday, so there's gonna be some resistance at this 87.10 area, maybe a little earlier, 87.05. So that could be a good target if we get above this 86.75 level. And then if we're able to get above 87.10, then we have this area where we spent some value, some time and accepted, which was also, if you see this blue shaded area, this was from I think back in October or something like that, which I had mentioned earlier the other day. 87.60 was my target. So we gotta see if we can revisit this area, or this was just like this where it sold off, if sellers are gonna be there again or not. So that's crude. Now in the case that we see some more sellers, the target to look for in case we clear this area and go back down again is 85.16, but as we saw, this was some strong buying, and again we're finding buyers at the open, so far the trend is up, and I would be more interested in long trades than short trades in crude. ES, hold on one second. So ES, this is what we have. We have a big double distribution. We have this area, it's a little messy here, right? And we have this lower one right here. And after the drop on Thursday, we took back most of the move, right? Like we moved above half back. Then we found sellers, but the sellers didn't take it all the way down. We kept accepting prices in this area. Now with this new week, we have the weekly pivots that moved here, and now we're trading above them. But we have to keep an eye on this this low volume right here, because we have this high delta level at 66. We have this low volume which is going to act as resistance, and we have this area where buyers couldn't get through on Friday. So this is going to be key accepting prices about 66. And then if we do and we start trading holding above this area, then we're likely going to travel this whole range, clean up the single prints, and then revisit the 5300, which is the target that repairs that imbalance from Friday. If you see that we have excess to the downside but no excess on the upside, so to repair that imbalance we need to get to 5300. So and then we have, of course, no excess on Thursday on the upside. We have the previous week's high, we have March's high, we have this overnight that never got retested, and we have my previous target at 37, which we never hit. So all this is telling me that there's gonna be some interest to clean up this all these levels on the upside. That in addition to the fact that April is seasonally speaking is bullish. Also, we saw a strong push on the overnight session. We saw a strong push higher. So keep an eye on that 66. Above 66, I'm expecting a move higher. The first pause is going to be at 80. We have this high delta level, and then above that, there's really not much until the 5306. That's going to provide resistance. So those are the two key levels, 66 at 80, that we need to clear up. If we cannot, and we keep finding sellers there, this is going to be chop. So I'm not interested in trading through this unless we move below this the 21 moving average, exponential moving average. There I will be interested in taking some shorts into the 52.15, because that's a nice risk reward trade, right? Like if we clear that, we have like we could drop 15 points pretty quickly, in my opinion, and then there's the opportunity or chance that we can retest these lows also. So that's the place where I'll be looking for shorts. But initially I will be looking for support here, because we couldn't clear this on Friday. Let's see, in NQ. NQ is in a similar scenario. We're trading back above the weekly pivot. We're below the 20-day moving average, and we have this low volume area at 18,380. So we wanna, the goal is to be above that, the 385-ish, 390, and then if we get that, then the first target will be 415-ish, and then 490, and then a move back to the upper side of this distribution. If sellers keep showing up, then I'll be looking for this area to support. But if not, then a move down to retest these lows into this 18,000 area. But like I said, so far I think the up move is what I'm be looking for initially, and see if that can continue. I think that's it. We don't have much economic news today. We have some auctions for the 3-month and the 6-month bills, and we have some Fed speaking at 1 p.m. Tomorrow, kind of the same, not much stuff happening. And then we have on Wednesday, we have CPI, we have crude inventories, we have FOMC meeting minutes, we have PPI on Thursday, jobless claims, and then we have some earnings. So I think volatility could come back later in the week. All right, good luck, everybody.